Large Caterpillar 777 off-road dump trucks haul ore and waste rock out of the open pit. Everything about these trucks is huge, but they're really just like a car to drive. This truck has a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Drivers operate the same truck each day and are responsible for looking after it. The cab is air-conditioned. There's a radio and a CD player to listen to music on the long haul out of the pit, and a two-way radio to keep in touch with other drivers and excavator operators. The seat is hydraulically sprung to smooth out the ride. This reduces fatigue and provides back protection. The passenger seat is not sprung. A round trip from the bottom of the pit takes about 25 minutes. On this trip, the load is coming from a cutback on the side of the pit. Flashing lights on the front of the vehicle indicate what load the truck is carrying. Orange for ore, blue or green for different types of waste rock. The truck backs into the bench and is loaded by the excavator. It only takes a few bucket loads to fill up. When the excavator horn sounds, the driver knows the truck is loaded, and then the long haul up and out of the pit begins. On the surface, the load is stockpiled or tipped into the primary crusher. Then the truck heads back into the pit for another load.